Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
This is our amount of views or likes, impressions, and those things, and this is our charge. Whatever amount you will put here, they will automatically charge over there, right? So let me go with 2000. Then you can see this is very little amount they are charging us, that is 0.1872 dollar. So this is how you can go with your amount, and you can go with these services as well for TikTok. And this is how you can buy TikTok services from this SMM panel. And after adding your amount over there, link over there, and they will add the charge over there, and then you need to go with the submit section, and clicking on submit, they will redirect into you this order section, and they will show a receipt over there, that is your order is being completed, right? So, or your order has been successful, like this. And then if your order is completed, then they will show it in this panel, and that is order section. In this dashboard, you can go to this completed section, and it will show the completed things. As you can see that I have completed for one of my channel things, and that is for YouTube channel, and they charge for $2.952, and they give me this 480 quantity subscriber, and then it has been completed. So they have just updated it over there, right? If you cancel any of your order, then they will show it over there. And if your any order is in pending, then it will show over there. And if any of your order is in progress, then they will show it on this in progress section, right? And this is our all things that they will show over there. So on this order section, you can see all of these updates thing, and in this new order section, you can go with these services, and you can buy your service over there, right? By adding your link, adding your amount, and of course you need to add your category over there, and then services over there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.